IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe a time when you volunteered for a social cause or organization. When and where did you volunteer and for what cause or organization? What specific tasks or activities did you engage in? How did your volunteer experience contribute to the cause or organization? How did you personally benefit or learn from this experience?
Volunteering for a social cause or organization has always been an enriching experience for me. One particular instance that stands out vividly in my memory is when I volunteered for an environmental conservation project last year. I dedicated my time and energy to this noble cause in the summer of 2022, in the picturesque coastal town of Santa Cruz, California. The initiative was organized by a renowned environmental NGO called Earth Guardians, which focuses on preserving and protecting the natural beauty of our planet. The specific cause I volunteered for was a beach cleanup campaign. During my time as a volunteer, I engaged in a plethora of tasks and activities aimed at mitigating the environmental degradation of the local beaches. The primary responsibility was collecting and sorting litter that had washed ashore or been left behind by beachgoers. This task was not only physically demanding but also required careful consideration to ensure the proper disposal of various materials. Additionally, I participated in educational workshops aimed at raising awareness about the importance of clean beaches and the devastating effects of marine pollution. My volunteer experience played a pivotal role in contributing to the cause and the organization itself. By diligently cleaning up the beaches, we prevented harm to local marine life, improved the aesthetics of the coastline, and made the area safer for both animals and visitors. The public workshops we conducted increased awareness about the impact of littering and inspired many individuals to become more responsible towards the environment. Moreover, the data we collected during the cleanup was invaluable for research and policy advocacy, helping Earth Guardians push for stricter environmental regulations. On a personal level, this volunteering experience left an indelible mark on me. I gained a profound appreciation for the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the dire consequences of human negligence. I learned the importance of teamwork, as we had to collaborate efficiently to achieve our goals. Furthermore, my communication skills were honed as I interacted with diverse groups of people during the awareness workshops. In conclusion, my time volunteering for Earth Guardians in Santa Cruz was a rewarding endeavor that allowed me to contribute to a vital environmental cause while also gaining valuable life skills. I witnessed firsthand the positive impact of collective action on preserving our planet. This experience solidified my commitment to environmental conservation and inspired me to continue volunteering for such worthy causes in the future. Volunteering not only enriches our lives but also serves as a catalyst for positive change in our communities and the world at large. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.